everybody, it's the Mobile Home Mama. There's Meow Meow. She's back for another season. I'm Christina, General Manager here at Champion Retail Home Center, located right here at the factory in Topeka, Indiana. And we ship to all the Great Lakes states, including Indiana, Michigan, Illinois, Ohio, Tennessee, Minnesota, Iowa, and Wisconsin. I think I said them all. If I missed one, I'm sorry. Anyways, customers come here to visit us right at the factory and order their home and save thousands and thousands of dollars. I promised you guys I would do a lot tour of the things that I currently have on the lot. We've got some things happening. If you look here at these two singles, I've got those clearanced out, ready to go. I've got some new ones coming in. So if you've been here before, please take a trip back and we'll talk about some things. Also, park models are in the works, just waiting for my licensing there. We've got a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, Kborn, 1,153 square feet. Has always been a very popular floor plan. And when you come inside, you're gonna walk right into a very nice living room. Plenty of room for a fireplace if you wanted it to. I gotta tell you guys, this year, we are doing the, come on in, Meow Meow, come on. Her and her family have been here for generations, and I just don't have the heart to have them leave. Anyways, very nice fireplace. We aren't doing gas fireplaces anymore, just the electric fireplace available in the drywall and also available in this wall, which is a VOG wall. Let me get a pan of the living room. How nice is that, huh? People who come and visit me, they're like, man, they just don't make these like they used to anymore. So things have changed. We've gotten more modern and very nice on the different trim and option selections. We've got good ceiling fans this year as well. But this is called a VOG wall, folks. This is vinyl over gypsum. 3/8 of an inch of drywall with a vinyl backing. You are gonna have the batten strips every 4 feet. We do have a whole home series where you can drywall your single wide, and that seems to be a very popular thing now. Lots of people drywall in their single wides. Wide open to the kitchen, and we have the option to do accent walls in the Aspire Home series, and that's what I've done here. I wanted to pull out the black handles and do a contrast with the darker accent walls. This is called Cool Cedar. Has very nice wood look with a nice texture as well. And the thing about the Kborn is, for a single wide, it really has a bunch of cabinets, right? So especially if you take them to the ceiling like I've done here, and then you add a cabinet overhead over the refrigerator to kind of showcase the refrigerator. Something else I want to talk about is, everybody asked me, Christina, can I fit my big, gigantic refrigerator in your guys' cavity? Yes, you can. 37 inches is a standard refrigerator cavity, and we're gonna make sure we do that for you guys. So if you wanna bring your own appliances, I don't talk about this very much, you can bring your fridge, and we can plumb for a dishwasher, but you have to be able to prepare food. That's the building code for HUD. So you have to either stick with the standard stove or opt for a microwave over the range, and we can omit the stove. So whatever you want to do, you have to be able to prepare food. Another HUD building code I want to talk about is 36 inches from surface to surface. This island is optional, and by the way, you can turn it this way if you want, but it will have to be 36 inches from this countertop surface. That's in case you need to get a wheelchair through. All right, here we go. Island is optional, added that. We've got Aluma marble on the countertop, Thunder on the floor, all these things still available for this year. Colonial Cove, so that tells me I've got a package in this home. Heading down the hallway, we're gonna come up on the primary bedroom. Kept the exit wall going all the way through. This built-in cubby, well, built-in wood organizer here is available as an option. Standard is just the cutout. Going into the walk-in closet, plenty spacious room for all your clothes. You could add another shirt and skirt rack if you wanted to. Let me brighten it up a little bit for you guys. So for a single wide, lots of storage there. Now, while I'm standing here at the ceiling fans, it's black on the bottom, but the other side of those blades are white. So you choose what color you want your ceiling fan to be. And here are the controls for the ceiling fan. You're gonna turn the speed of the ceiling fan by moving this little lever up and down, and then on and off is right here. So the days of the long pull straps are kind of over with. Coming into the primary bath, storage, storage, storage. I'm a huge fan of storage. I'm a huge fan of windows in the bathroom also. So I did both of those things. Sorry, let me get it right. There we go. Double vanity, only a few single wides where you can do the double vanity. That's an option. And then the Tri-View medicine cabinet. Hey, still bundled. Yes, I am. Tri-View medicine cabinet. Otherwise, it would be one large mirror there. Standard 3-bulb light strips at the top. Kind of looks like a, I don't know, like a mirror you would sit at a vanity. And then an 019 over the commode cabinet. You want to add that if you don't have very much storage. Here we've got a lot of storage, so that would be something I would say could be optional for you. But I think storage in the bathroom is a good deal. 30 by 36 window. Also, imagine in the summertime you've got a nice breeze coming through. Walk-in shower. Those are available as well. With or without the doors, it's about a $500 difference. If you don't add the doors, less. So $225 versus the $767. It's a personal preference, right? Some people are okay with shower curtains. Other people want the security of holding the handle when they're inside of the shower. So totally up to you. And that's what we do here at Champion Homes. We're going to personalize the floor plan for you. Extra storage here. Couple of cabinets and 1, 2, 3, 4 drawers. Plenty of storage in the Kborn primary bathroom. Heading back to the other end of the home. And this home's going to be here and available on the lot. I think I'm going to keep this home through the season. So please come take a look at it. Let's talk about how we do things. I'll put you and your family in a very nice hotel and give you a chance to see how the homes are made. Coming into bedroom number 2. Now, I've done some things, some interesting things with this because some people want a 2-bedroom version in a single wide. That's technically not available in this floor plan, so we can get around that by taking the closet, moving this door to the other side, and creating a coat closet in here, which makes this technically a study, a den or a study, a duddy, okay? Oh my gosh. A den or a study. Also a great place for you to keep mechanicals, right? If you need to do a water softener or something like that. This bedroom is perfect for that because voila, right there is the back door. Washer dryer area, pretty standard stuff. We did add some washer dryer cabinets. And then I wanted to match the other bathroom. So I came right in with the medicine cabinet here and the 019. Now I want to talk about this. The tub showers, very easy. I can put a transom window. The walk-in showers, they're taller. I cannot. So something to think about in that primary bath. Most people add their shower there, right? So that's where you're going to want to do that 30 by 36. Bath number 2, transom it up, baby. That would be fine. Here comes bedroom number 3. And in this bedroom, it's a little larger than bedroom number 2. You're also going to find your water heater. So tucked away in this closet. Closet is still a good size. So you don't really lose any storage space. But back here, you've got your water heater. No sense in putting a door over that because you're just going to lose your shirt and skirt racks and would look funny. It's kind of a waste of money to do that, in my opinion. And Meow Meow says that's the end of the show for today. As always, I thank you for watching. Please come visit me. I love it. I love it when you guys show up. Say, hey, where's the mobile home mama at? Well, she's tucked away in her office, usually trying to talk to you guys. So, as always, thanks for watching.